Hi, and welcome to AdCreative, the first most used AI tool for advertising. I'm so happy to be here to show you how you can boost your sale while ease your marketing efforts. Okay, let's jump into the app. So you just need to click on login here and okay, amazing. You have your brand list here. This is the first step on the app. You just need to create your brand. You can create as many brands as you want, and as you can see, you can just get access to all your brands and all the projects related to your brand here. Okay, we can just create the brand, and first step, it's very easy. Just copy paste the URL of your website. So we're going to use AdCreative for this example, and we're going to get the brand name and the brand description. Okay, perfect. So what we need to do now is just to upload the brand logo. So we need the brand logo in good quality for the next steps for the creatives we're going to make together. So we just need to get the logo at creative. Okay. And let's just upload it. Beautiful. So now we have the logo. As you can see, the AI just selected automatically the main color, the subheading, and the description. And now the brand is just ready. So it's very easy, very fast. At this step, what you can do is just to connect your ad accounts, and by connecting your ad accounts, you will get very interesting insights, data, recommendations, and best practices from our AI from all the campaigns you are running in your ad accounts. Great. So let's just create the brand, and let's see what kind of project we can launch. So for today, I'm going to show you how to launch an ad package project, which is going to be the best if you want to be guided step by step and you start from scratch. Okay, let's go for it. So the first thing you need to do is to copy paste the URL of your website. So it's very easy, and our AI is going to give us all the data coming from the website. Okay, so let's see what is coming. So we'll have perfect. We have here your goal, get sales. We have the name of your company. We have your target audiences. We have your call to action here and the brand description, brand or product description. Great. So what you can do, it's very interesting. You can change the tone so you can stay professional or become informal, friendly, enthusiastic. So it's very easy. Let's, for example, go with friendly here. I like it. And what we can do also is to change the language. So you can just select any language, French, Spanish, English, whatever. And let's just stay in English here. Okay, perfect. So now we have the project and the description of our brand. What we need to do is to choose the strategy. So at this step, the AI is going to give you the best strategy for your brand according to the data coming from your website. And here, as you can see, the recommended project is direct conversion focused. So you can also use, of course, other strategies. We have automated creatives, competitor analysis, or you can also just use your own custom strategy. So it's very easy to get the best project and strategy for your brand. So let's go, for example, with direct conversion focused, which is the recommended one here. And now we have the strategy. We need to choose the platform. So just as before, our AI, according to all the data coming from the website, is going to help you to choose the best platform for your campaigns. So it's telling us now that Meta, LinkedIn, and Google seem to be the most interesting. Okay, perfect. So now let's just select Meta, and we're going to choose the format for the first design we are going to create together. So we have post, landscape, story. We can go with post size, which is a very basic format, but of course you can just select any size you want. Let's go for the next step. And now we have the format. What we need to do is to choose our image. So at this step, you have three options. The first one is to connect your website and get images directly from your website, or you can just upload an image from your own library. It's very easy. And what you can do as well is to get images from free stock images or paid stock images. We have here, as you can see, paid stock images are $5. We have a 50% discount special partnership with Image Stock. So it can be very interesting if you want more unique design. But here we can go with, for example, marketing. which is a very global term for our company. And let's go, for example, with this image, which looks beautiful, amazing. And now we can go to the next step. Okay, now we have our image. We just need to generate the text. So as you can see, our AI, according to all the data from our website, just gave us some recommendations. We have the main headline and the call to action here. So it's very easy if you want to select other options to scroll down here and just get other suggestion. If you're not happy with what we have now, we can just click on the brain, get the sentence in other languages, change the sentiment, or get other variation. You can even shorten the text, and you can even write your own words. So very easy. Okay, beautiful. I like it. Boost sales. Maybe we can get increased conversions. Okay, I like this one. What we need to do now is just to select an icon for our campaign. It's going to be the call to action, and let's choose a rocket. Perfect, beautiful. Now we just need to name the project, and we are ready. Okay, let's ask the AI to give us some designs, templates. One thing to remember about the app is that we are a data-backed company. We have analyzed in the last 2 years more than 500 million ad creatives. It means that we have more than 1 million ad accounts connected to the platform, and all recommendations, all scoring on the platform are based on all this data we have been analyzing. Okay, perfect. Now we have the result. Let's see what we have. Beautiful. So as you can see, we have hundreds of templates available here. And what we can do now is just select the ones we want to use for our campaigns. So let's go, for example, with, I like this one. It looks nice. This design is very beautiful too. And maybe that one, okay. So what we just need to do at this step is just to download them. It's very easy. Just click here, download the selected. And you have two choices at this step. Either you download them or you push them. It's the same thing. One download, one push is one credit you consume. You get access also to product focused designs. You get access to Black Friday designs or other events that are coming in the year, Christmas and others. And one thing very interesting is that you can render at this step your images in other sizes. So you can get social media formats, display formats in just seconds. It's a big time saver if you want to run ads on different platforms. Okay, so now we have the creatives. What you can do is just enjoy all the text that our AI just made for us. We have access to hundreds of templates of the best copywriting methodologies according to your goals. So it can be very interesting. And what you can get also is here the data about your audiences. Okay, so I was very happy to show you how the app can work for you, and enjoy the platform.